Hey guys, this is Tiana's American Girl Doll Stuff, and as you can see, I actually have the coffee shop completely set up. I'm actually going to usually position it kind of like this at a right angle, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to pull the counter, like the front counter space, out a little bit at an angle. So on the front counter, oh, something fell. Well, like I was saying, at the front counter, there are the little treats over on the left side, 2 bagels, 2 cinnamon rolls, and 2 chocolate cupcakes. And then on top of the the treats are in the bakery cart. The 2 bagels, 2 cinnamon rolls, and 2 cupcakes. And on top of the bakery cart are 2 cups of what looks like mocha coffee and then strawberry coffee or something. And then, if you can see, the third thing of coffee is, well, third and fourth, sorry, are in the mini fridge. And then also in the mini fridge are, let me get these things out, because I don't know what these bottles are on the back. Oh, there are orange juice. Never seen orange juice in these little bottles before. But there's also cream cheese and milk. And then on the bottom here is this little, like, syrup or whipped cream. I think it's whipped cream bottle. And then that's everything in the mini fridge. And then just, let's go back to the other thing. Oh, why does this always fall? Down on these shelves are like 2 packages of coffee beans, and then 2 things of pita chips, and 2 granola bars. Oh, chocolate cookies. As you can see, I'm not very good at guessing what things are without actually reading them. And then there's a little card reader, a tip jar, and a menu board. Actually, no, not a menu board, and like an ordering tablet. The menu board is on the back wall with the coffee cups to the right of the menu board, and the 2 extra coffee things to the left. 2 extra coffee beans to the left of the menu board. And then directly under the coffee beans are coffee syrups, plates, the sink, which is built into the counter, and the espresso machine with kind of like a hot water pitcher and coffee grounds on top. There's nothing underneath. Well, there's nothing in the cabinet underneath the sink, but in the tall drawer is the trash can. And then the skinny drawer above the tall drawer, there is nothing besides whatever this little thing is. It kind of looks like a screw, but I don't think it is. And then These things always fall out. This time the pita chips and the coffee beans fell out. But if I move it carefully enough, okay. So on the drawer underneath the cash register thing is like gift cards and the $1 bills, and then on the shelf underneath is coffee cups that actually come out from each other. There's 4 coffee cups, or 4 coffee cups if you want to eat in a restaurant, and then 2 to-go coffee cups. Did these lids actually open? I don't know if these lids actually open or not. I will figure that out later. And then here are 2 to-go boxes with the logo of the coffee shop on them. That's on the bottom shelf. And then nothing else is on that bottom shelf. So yeah, I think that's everything. Oh yeah, and behind here, can I move it without knocking anything over? Behind this little counter is the 2 stools and the counter that is for eating. And I also have the tea time table and chairs which I'm actually going to use with the coffee shop. And now I have something from Amazon. Let me put my phone down and I will open this. So something I got from Amazon for a lot cheaper than I would from American Girl is the American Girl Character Encyclopedia, the new 2023 one. And I actually decided to get it from Amazon because I had a gift card and it was already like $4 cheaper than it would be from the American Girl store and or website. So it was like $11 versus $15. I had like a $6 gift card, so it was like $5. So yeah, I have the American Girl Character Encyclopedia and the coffee shop, which is gonna kind of suck now that I took everything out. But I wanted to show you guys. But now I'm gonna have to pack everything up. We're moving in 10 days. Yeah, we're moving to a new apartment in 10 days. So everything has to be packed up. So this is gonna be enjoyable. Note the sarcasm. But it has to be done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget part 1 of this video where I actually unbox everything. I was going to try to do a video where I mash the 2 videos together, but I don't really have the computer software technology for that yet. So, like I said, this has been Deanna's American Girl Doll Stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you do, and if you enjoy part 1 as well, please give them a like, comment, or if you subscribe, please turn on that notification bell so YouTube will let you know every single time I post a new video. I'll see you guys in a few days when I end up going to Chicago. Bye!